This is probably a piece of foil, but it's ringing up an 8, which is a gorgeous signal. So I just have to check it out. Thought I would do a nice live one to make sure it's nothing good. You know how that goes. If you do it live, it can't possibly be good. Of course, my tools are all stuck in here. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Cancel. All right, live video. This is very interesting. It's bringing up a 1314. I have it out of the hole. There's 2 items. Not sure what they are yet. I believe one might be part of a piece of silverware. Maybe it's very thin. Probably not. Very thin. It has holes on the end. So probably not. I'm not sure what that is. Then we have this item, which looks like it could have been a pendant because it has, or a pin. It has something on the back. Whoops, lost it back in the hole. Some kind of design on the front. Not sure what that is. Might be gilded. I thought I just saw a little gilt on there. Oh, it could be gold gilt. Very possible. Very possible. Looks like it. It's probably, well, I don't know. I'd say it's probably copper, but guess we'll find out more later when we get home. Maybe it's bronze. I don't know what would ring so low. Well, it might have been part of a ring because I see 2 things there. All right, well, let's check this out when we get home so we can keep moving on. Okay. Cool finds, though. Moving on. This might be an old horse buckle. That's kind of cool. I don't know for sure, though. Moving on. Are you ready to find another piece of cancel? Ringing up an 8-9. Down kind of deep. Okay, not cancel, something else. What do we got here? Car keys. Wow, that was pretty deep for car keys. All right, so we have a Toyota, I believe that is, car keys or car key fob. Oh, that would be it. All right, well, that's something. Maybe we can return that. Looks like the key part's missing. Okay, moving on. This ring up a 17. Looks like a bullet that hit something hard, like a rock, and smashed flat. That's pretty cool looking. I don't know if there's going to be any ID or markers on it. But that's very cool. All right, moving on. This is interesting. It rang up a 14. It's like a little acorn lid. Or maybe it's part of a button. A lid for something tiny. It's very decorative, or even maybe like a salt shaker or something, because there's little holes. Looks like little holes. I wonder, was it a salt shaker? I believe it rang up a 14, something like that. Very interesting. Nothing else in the hole. Yeah, 14, 15. Nothing else there. Whoops, let's try putting it on. Works better. Yep, nothing else there. Interesting. Okay, moving on. Well, we've got a green coin that I scratched. And it's either the shape of an Indian. Oh no. Maybe a wheat. Geez, don't tell me that's a memorial. You know what? That is a memorial. Aren't you so glad I took you along to show you a memorial? Well, memorial. We'll see what year it is later. All right, that's crazy. That's just crazy. Okay, moving on. I think it might have another button. It rang up a 7-8. Looks like the shank may or may not be there. Oh, maybe it's a lid. Might not be a button after all. Might be just a lid for something. Oh, and it's falling apart. Yeah, it's not a button. It's a lid for something. Well, that was exciting. I could see a number on it. I'll clean that up later. All right, moving on. Pretty sure we got a button this time. Ring up a 14. Looks like a rivet. Maybe it's a rivet type of button. Oh no, there's 4 holes. Okay. 4-hole button. Sweet. Definitely a button. All right. Yay. So we'll keep digging or keep swinging so we can find anything else good. That might just be the find of the day. Moving on. Well, this rang up a 1617. Get it in here. Seems to have a latch on the end. There's a little screw thing. Oh, I wonder if those are glasses. Guess they could be arms for glasses. But also at this end, there seems to be another little notch right here. So I don't know. Could those be glasses arm? An arm from glasses, or a leg, or whatever they call that? That's probably what it is. All right, well anyway. I don't see any markings or anything on it, so probably not silver. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is ringing up a 29, or excuse me, a 30, 31, 32, 30, 31. I'm hoping for a silver quarter. That's probably just gonna be a regular quarter. Well, let's see. Come on, silver. I don't see anything silver. Nope, no, it's not silver. Nope, it's a Washington. It's clad, I'm sure. Let me get a year off of it. Looks like an 83. Yep, 83. Oh well. Well, I'm glad I brought you along for the quarter. Okay, moving on. Let's ring up a 910. It looks like some kind of electricity connector, maybe. Definitely copper and green, so it's been down here a while. That's what my guess is anyway. It rang up, what was it, 1112, 1112. All right, that's it, moving on. All right, I'm gonna show you what we got today. Our million-year-old coffee table. Stain those colors. Okay, this is a lid to something. Thinking salt and pepper shaker, maybe. Pretty cool. It's got holes in it. This is the one I've been waiting to look at. It's a piece of jewelry. I don't know if that's copper. It's probably copper. I don't know if you can see all that shiny on that. I don't know what else is in there. That's a beautiful color. I don't know if there's a stone in there or just a hole. So it looks like it was a pin. There's something here and something there. All right, let's get that baby wet and see what happens to it. Ooh, that looks beautiful. I'm sure it's not gold, but it sure could be. Gold on top of what? What did this ring up? I think this was like a 13, 14. Give it some more time to clean up. In the meantime, we have our button. 4-hole button. I don't know if there's writing on it. I don't see any writing. That's pretty cool. Got the water in this thing that was in there with that necklace in the same hole anyway. I thought it was part of a spoon handle, but it's got 2 little holes punched in the top, so I doubt it's a spoon handle. Looks like it's silver plated copper. It's too thin to be silverware. It does look like it's silver plated. Let's put that back to salt and pepper shaker. There's holes in here. It's definitely, I'm pretty sure it's something for maybe salt and pepper. A fancy top here, though. You can see that. Thought it was like a button at first. Very interesting, whatever it is. I don't know. Put that here. Back to the button. Let me see if I can get this enlarged. Yuck, my wet hands. Okay, turn it this way because there is writing there. Hold on. I have to do a screenshot and enlarge it. Put that on the ID Me page. Yes, I know my fingernails are dirty. I just got back. Remember, I'm a dirt digger. I wonder if it was like a tie clasp or something. Oh, looks like there was a stone in there. Too bad. I'll never find the right hole again to look through. All right, this is... Trying to see if it's tarnished. I suppose that is brass. Looks golden, but I doubt it's gold. Doesn't quite have the right shine for gold. It could be plated though, because I can see different peelings over here, but that's really cool. I wish the stone was still there. How cool. I'm gonna try to figure out what this is. It does have a little screw hingy thing, like eyeglasses would. I see the screw there. Let me get this background. I see a little screw there. Hold on. See a little screw. Little Phillips screw. But it also has this, which looks like it would be on the inside. So I don't know what that's for, unless that's a way to hold a frame. And then this, that's not going to go over your ears. And then this other side. Now would that be maybe where the frames go? I don't know. I really don't know what that is. I'm just assuming it's for glasses. I really don't know. There's no markings or writing on it that I can see. No clue as a maker. So, nope, don't know. It's an interesting item. Thought I had 3 light bulbs today, but I only see 2. Maybe I dropped one somewhere. I'm sure they don't work. This interesting item. Oh, iron. I don't know what that is. Kind of looks like a horse buckle or something, maybe. The keys. This I didn't film. It just looks like a lid to something. Looks like one of those little tiny bottle lids, but I think it's brass. Brass cap. Brass lid to something. I'm going to enlarge it a little bit. This I thought was a button, apparently a lid to something. Hold on, there's my husband. Whatever it is, it's falling apart. And just some clad. Couple bullets. I didn't bother filming. This one, I think, is a bullet. Yeah, it's kind of smashed. That's an interesting look. Interesting. I don't know if this is an oldie. Gonna get loud here with hubby's Jeep. And this little stinker, all green like that. Thought for sure I had an Indian.